Good afternoon and welcome to GrainTV. It's February 26, 2013. To my right is Cody Bills and I'm Brock Shimbino. Let's turn over to the Fire Tip trading software to see where the markets closed today. Corn was up 11 cents, beans off 3 1/4, wheat in Chicago up 6 1/2, and Kansas City was up 1 1/4. You know, Cody, it's kind of a good signal to see that corn actually finished above $7 for the first time in a while here today.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we've been trading up around that $7 in the last week, but we were never able to hold that $7 early on this week. You know, we were trading down around that 687. That was a previous low and also a support level. That area held, and we were able to rally back off the lows yesterday, and today we close over $7. To me, I think this is relatively bullish in the short term. I think there was some bargain buying down here. You know, we had an export sale yesterday for old crop corn. That was very positive to see. I wouldn't be surprised to see some continuation tomorrow.
You know, something I'm thinking about as we head into Thursday, which is first notice day for the March contracts, I'm wondering if this rally was aided by some short covering heading into that first notice day and into the roll period.
Yeah, going into the roll period, I wouldn't be surprised at all if this is a little bit boosted by some of that short covering. Just another reason why I think you know, we might see continuation tomorrow.
All right, let's turn our attention over to soybeans on the daily chart there. Beans did close a little bit negative here today. What do you make of today's trade? We are kind of hovering right around that 1450 area or so.
Yeah, well, I think, you know, 1450, we've traded down around that level and we bounced back. It seems like every time we close off those lows. We haven't been able to really close with a very weak candle here. And I wouldn't be surprised, like with corn, soybeans, and wheat, if in the next couple days maybe we get a little bit of a bounce back after some of the selling that we saw on Monday. You know, as for wheat too, you know, that's another situation where we actually saw Japan do a purchase of feed wheat, and I think that's really going to help out the wheat complex. Despite the big storm that's moving through there, we're seeing demand, we're seeing a lot of bargain buying after sliding for so far.
You know, tomorrow we get the EIA ethanol numbers. We have seen margins move up a little bit over the last several weeks or so. Do you think the production levels are going to be a little bit better tomorrow, or what are your thoughts?
Yeah, absolutely. I think they're going to be better than last week. You know, like you said, the margins are continuing to move higher. Just another reason why, you know, maybe the stars are aligning for just a short-term rally here.
You know, we will be tweeting those numbers when they come out tomorrow morning, EIA ethanol numbers. You can find us on Twitter at GrainTV. Check us out on Facebook or get a hold of us at 877-472-4607.